G'day guys, if you're experiencing notification pop-ups or notification spam, typically it's just Google Chrome and it'll have a link usually showing up down the bottom right hand side when it pops up. This is what you're going to have to do to resolve that. You'll have to go to the top right hand corner, click on the three dots, click on settings, and once it's loaded up settings, up the top here, type in notifications. After you type in notifications, we want to go to pop-up and redirections. Then from there, go down the very bottom and go, do not allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirections. And with that enabled, that should stop any site trying to introduce a new pop-up notification on your web browser. Granted, that will stop up pop-up notifications if you've got them set for like Facebook, Gmail, Twitter. It will kill all of them. But I find most of the people that are experiencing these kind of pop-ups normally don't want them at all. So this I find just a quick blanket solution for the Google Chrome notification pop-ups. Hope that helps, and I'll see you later. Bye.